how to use CHATON AI chatbot assistant app. Yeah, so this is one of the most popular AI chatbot apps right now. Of course, there is official ChatGPT app which you can get and try, and it's free unless you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. But there are also other apps, and some people just like different design or some like different themes or some additional helpers, some additional features in these apps. So yeah, this is what you can do. So this is one of the apps, and that it looks quite nicely, and it has all this dark theme. And then how it works, you can just select all these different categories here: education, social, creativity, studying. Like you can ask an advice, like tell me a joke, whatever. Write a blog post, write social media post, help with homework. So yeah, here you can see all of these categories. Then there are different tasks, and that's just another tab where you can see that it's just organized in the different categories. There are social categories, there is education, there is work, there is fun, ideas, health, gaming, coding, marketing. So yeah, that's the idea, like emails. So for example, you just want to drop some email. So you can see stuff like that being generated. Of course, it's not instant. It takes some time for the text to be generated. You can see examples of it. Then you can just tap and hold, and then you can copy it, you can share, you can listen to it. And then in the settings you can enable or disable haptic feedback, which is basically these vibrations. You can reach out to their support. That's basically the company which developed it, ab.mobi. By the way, if you want to cancel a subscription, you need to do it through the settings app. So this is just like you need to know that if you're new to iOS or apps, subscribing via apps. But yeah, basically if you want to upgrade to premium, let's just see, here is the price. The yearly access price seems pretty reasonable. There is no free trial though, but it's like $40 per year. And what you just get unlimited chat messages, more detailed answers, and chat history. So yeah, again, like all these features are available for free in official ChatGPT app. But maybe if you just already got adjusted to this app, you can try it. $40 per year. It's not like it's that huge amount. But if you want just to try it out, you can try 3-day free trial, $7 per week. Then it's like $28 per month. Then it's pretty expensive. Then I honestly wouldn't recommend this deal if you try to use this app for more than a month. Then you just switch to official ChatGPT. But if you like this design, or for some any reason you like this app, try it out. Also, compared to ChatGPT, this app is available on Android, Google Play Store. ChatGPT app, official app, is not there yet, so maybe that's another reason why you want to upgrade. So yeah, try it out. Also, in this last tab, you see the history. I already see the history. I can delete messages just by swiping like that. So hope that is helpful.